crew, welcome to London. I've only been here a handful of times, and it's something I've wanted to do, and it's totally touristy and totally uncharacteristic for me, but I'm going to go up in the London Eye. I went ahead and bought the fast track ticket because I only had so much time to get over here, and it was actually pretty nice. I jumped past, maybe 50 people in line. Reached the top, and it is quite spectacular. You can see all the city, Big Ben, everything else. It's pretty cool. So I specifically booked this tour to be pretty close to sunset, and I think it might pay off here. Was a really fun way to spend a half an hour. If you don't have a ton of time in London and just want something quick and fun to do, I would totally recommend that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you next week.